Okay. Me and Melissa, we're here playing this board game called Jenga.
Okay, you first.
Wait, it's cooking. Here, hold it.
Oh my gosh, it's falling again!
I told you it's crooked.
There. You're crooked, Melissa.
Okay.
See how much more straighter I am?
Okay, we'll put it right here. Can we see the thing? Where should we put it? The camera. Oh, I know where we should put it. Oh, that girl's so annoying. Okay. Can it see me?
This is where you're supposed to be.
Okay, that's where I'm supposed to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'll go first.
Oh, my so close.
Found it! First thingy.
No, I'm not doing that one because that's going to make it difficult. The one at the bottom is like always easy. You're supposed to put it up here.
Oh.
Here you go.
I forgot. Forget. Dude, I'm like all moving and stuff. Fine.
You're not supposed to use two hands to live, cheater.
Oh. I didn't know that.
Here you go. Okay, it's my turn now.
My listeners hate it though. What is it?
Matthew.
Your brother? The one from school?
Okay, yeah, he went from school.
Yes, Texas? What did he say?
He asked me what I'm doing.
Okay.
He said he wanted he sent a forward that he wasn't moving to LA and he wanted me to send it to everyone. I was like, I'm not gonna send it to everyone, you're a retard.
So you don't like him?
No. I mean, he's okay, he's funny, but he's boring, he's dumb.
Wait, hot Matthew?
No.
Okay.
Like I would say he's boring.
Wait, why did I just call him hot? He's not hot.
Yeah, whatever.
I just think of him as the hot Matthew. I don't think he's hot. I call him hot Matthew.
Okay.
Let's see.
Guess who Samantha is?
Huh?
Guess who you are.
Oh.
Who's that blonde chick?
The girl's sister.
Oh. No.
Yeah. I found it in your bag.
You found it as a joke.
A joke that you
Remember Pat from the office? Yeah, this is his idea of fun. But he didn't think anyone but me was going to see it. But it's a joke.
Really? So a dude wrote that?
Sadie, things with your mom and I, they're not perfect. Far from it, but I love her.
Ah! Stop touching me!
Okay?
Hey, another camera still recording.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh,
Real
oh, that's
baby.
cool.
Alright?
I don't know why people spell shit like that. Say cool for credit on. Oh my gosh, Melissa, you're gonna be first to tip it. I know you.
Somebody's alphabetizing the LP.
You're so pretty.
No, get away! I always like make her knock things over, including this. Can I get it from up here? Nah, I can't. From the look at
It's
it.
hard.
in the camera. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wait. No, wait. You can't even see hands, you cheater!
This hand was off.
But you hold it.
Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, that one.
Okay. Hold this. It's hard. I hate this game.
When I give it. It's gonna fall.
I gotta get this on camera.
Stop!
Ow. Oh my gosh.
Here. I think I'm gonna make it fall.
What? Okay, if you make it fall, you have to put it up.
I always help.